a meditation for balancing the chakras. Sit comfortably or lie down and make sure your spine is perfectly straight, and close your eyes. Imagine you are lying on a tropical beach, the light breeze rustling the palm trees gently above you, the warm sun kissing your body, penetrating deep into your cells, deep into your body, deep into your core, your energetic organs, your wheels of life. Bring your awareness to your breath. Feel the balmy heat of the sun and breathe to the rhythm of the waves as they break on the sand and roll back out to the ocean, and pause, ready to make the journey back into the shore. Hold the pause with your breath. Or if you prefer, find a pattern that is comfortable for you and relax. Relax deep down into the sand. Relax. Breathe in through your nose, deep into your belly, and out through your mouth, slowing down your heartbeat, stabilizing your breath. Find the rhythm of the waves and keep breathing. Connect to your senses. Listen to the waves gently lapping on the shore, ebbing and flowing. Smell the crisp, clear air of the sea. Feel it trickling down your throat, so you can taste the salt of the water on your tongue. See the light patterns flickering on your closed eyelids. Focus on the colors: white, gold, blue. Whatever colors and forms that you can see, dancing before you. Feel the warmth of the sand below your body and relax. Relax your body down into the sand and release any tension you might have. Keep breathing and let it all go. On every exhale, release more tension and keep going until it is all gone. Now gently place the hands onto your root chakra. Feel the red heat of the earth climbing up into your first chakra, the first year of your life, and breathe into it. Follow your rhythm as you visualize the wheel of energy turning in perfect harmony. Breathe into it. Slide your hands and gently move them onto the sacral chakra. The lower base of the stomach, and breathe into it. Feel the light as it changes from red to orange. Feel the element of the water as you visualize the wheel of energy turning in perfect rhythm to your breath. And breathe. Slowly take your hands up to the solar plexus, the chakra of fire in the navel, where your first connection to life grew. See the yellow ball of light, of energy, turning and showing you your willpower. See your power clearly, turning in complete harmony with the chakras below. And breathe into it. And breathe. Glide your hands up gently to the heart chakra, the element of air, and breathe into your heart. Keep breathing. See the green light wheel swirling, the chakra of love, of grief, of all the emotions you feel in your body. And breathe. Breathe into your heart and clear any sadness you may have. Give gratitude for everything that has caused your heart pain. It is your journey that makes you who you are, your unique and wonderful self. Now feel the power of your hands moving up to the throat chakra, the blue element of sound and space. Focus on the waves hitting on the shore. Feel the space around you and breathe into your throat. Know that it is within your power to speak your truth, the true, authentic you. Keep breathing. Gently place your hand onto your third eye. See the purple light. Feel your intuition, the intuition of the mind. Know that you are safe in the here and now, the power of your true sovereign self. And breathe. Release your hands by your side and let your energy move up, up into your crown chakra, outside your body, your higher self, your dreams, your purpose, your desires. And take a full breath in. Breathe it in, and hold it, hold it, hold it. And squeeze on the Bulabanda. And let it all go with a whoosh. All the way out. Just let it go. And hold it out. Hold it, hold it, hold it for as long as you can. Just relax. Push past your comfort zone. If you need to, take a couple of little breaths in and push them back out. And hold it, hold it, for as long as you possibly can. Now take a full breath in. Right the way up through the chakras. Feel each wheel spinning in alignment. Red, orange, yellow, green, purple, violet, white. Breathe it in. And hold. Squeezing your sexual organs. Just slightly pulsating. And release. Now bring your awareness back to your breath and breathe, feeling the waves undulating over your body in a figure of 8. Connecting all the chakras together as the water ebbs and flows. Keep breathing. Feel the alignment. Feel the power of the connection. Feel your peace. Feel the peace of your awareness and breathe, knowing that when you are in alignment, you are connected to everything. And when you are ready, come back into your space, knowing that you can always return to this place of flow, the flow of abundance, the power of connection, and feel your peace. and breathe.